Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform action buttons. If you're managing forms and submissions, action buttons are incredibly useful for automating tasks like sending emails directly from your submission table, making your workflow much more efficient. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and head over to jotform.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the account where your forms are stored, as this will give you access to all your forms and submissions. After logging in, look toward the upper left side of the page. You'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This will take you to a list of all the forms you've created or have access to in your Jotform account. Now, locate the form you want to edit. Once you've found it, check the box beside the form name to select it. After selecting your form, click on Submissions at the top of the page. This opens up the submissions table for that particular form, where you can view all the responses you've received. At the top right corner of the submissions table, you'll notice a button labeled Plus Add. Click on this button to start adding an action button to your table. This is where the magic happens, as action buttons allow you to perform quick actions right from your submissions view. A menu will pop up with different options. Select buttons from the list, then choose Send Email. This option lets you set up an email action that can be triggered with a single click. After making your selection, click Next to proceed to the next step. You'll now be prompted to enter a column name in the field provided. This name will appear as the label for your action button in the submissions table. So choose something clear and descriptive like Send Confirmation or Email Recipient. Once you've entered your column name, click Next to continue. Next, find and click the Edit button. This will open up the configuration settings for your email action. Here, you'll be able to customize the email that gets sent when the button is clicked. In the field provided, type your email subject. This is the subject line that will appear when the recipient receives the email, so make sure it's relevant to the purpose of the email you're sending. Now, navigate to the Recipients tab. This is where you'll specify who should receive the email. Enter the recipient's email address in the field provided. You can also add multiple recipients if needed, depending on your workflow. Once you've entered the email address, click Save to finalize your settings. And that's it. You've successfully set up an action button in Jotform that allows you to send emails directly from your submissions table with just one click. This feature can save you tons of time, especially if you're handling multiple form responses daily. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.